Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming graphics cards, and I'm excited to introduce you to what many consider the best AMD graphics card for 4K gaming on the market, the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580. Let's delve into why this GPU is making waves in the gaming community. The SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 packs a serious punch with its 8GB of GDDR5 memory and 2048 stream processors, providing you with a powerhouse for your gaming rig. But what sets this card apart from the competition? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the gaming experience. With its AMD Radeon RX 580 chipset, this graphics card delivers a smoother, higher-quality gaming experience, handling the latest AAA titles with ease. Plus, with support for up to 8K display, you'll be immersed in stunning visuals like never before. But that's not all. The SHOWKINGS RX 580 boasts a powerful cooling system, featuring dual fans and composite heat pipes that ensure optimal cooling performance, even during intense gaming sessions. Say goodbye to overheating and hello to uninterrupted gameplay. Whether you're gaming, designing, or multitasking, this graphics card has you covered. Its versatility makes it suitable for various computing needs, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience across the board. And with support for the latest technologies, you can rest assured that your investment will stand the test of time. In summary, the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 is a true powerhouse, offering exceptional performance, stunning visuals, and unparalleled versatility. If you're ready to elevate your gaming experience to the next level, look no further than this top-tier AMD graphics card. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on one today. That wraps up our review of the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the latest tech products. Until next time, happy gaming!